All right, welcome back. That was quick. All right, now we're gonna wait for news releases for Advance GDP QQ for America, and also unemployment claims, also in the USA side. Notable, it is noted that this session has three other orange news releases: Advanced GDP Price Index QQ, Core Durable Goods Orders and Durable Goods Orders MM. So I expect it to be untradable, but we'll see. Okay, 10 seconds. All right, here it comes. Ooh. Retrace. 543 retrace. Oh wow. Get a retrace. Okay, the unemployment is in red, so that is congruent. I'm expecting the advanced QQ to do that as well. Oh, it's actually no, this is too risky. It's a mix between red and green. I don't think I can trade this, but let's just take a look at it. Yeah, yep, swing widely. Oh my god. Yep. Nope. It's all it's Christmas here. Like green for advanced GDP QQ, red for unemployment claims, and the other three oranges news are two red and one green. This is way too volatile. I can't do this. I can't trade this. All right. Well, that's that's pretty much it. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you tomorrow with a little bit more stable news release, which is a core CPE price index MM. I traded this one before, so I expect to trade that one again. Until tomorrow then. Bye.